see what they got. Sofa. A little seat. Another little seat. A nice little hidden chest that I put my sofa on. And a hidden bed here. A sofa over here. They have this little place over there. Over here is their bed. They have a couple lights and then painting number 1, singing parrot. Painting number 2, parrot with its kid. Painting number 3, cuddling parrots.
He's interpreting the paintings for people.
Parrot with its kid?
Parrot with its kid is in the middle.
And then the final one, which is the third one, is parrot cuddling with its mom.
Alright, now that little man has given you the general room tour, you're probably wondering, where am I going to put my stuff? Well, there's a nice chest right here, but there is no chest of drawers available if you like to fold and put away your clothes. You can also store 2 large suitcases under the main bed here. There's a small sitting area located opposite the sofa with several USB ports for you to charge your electronics.
Ready? So this is a hidden bed. That's for me.
What's cool about it, Betty?
It's cool that it's hidden. Nobody expects to pull
but
a cat.
right here, go hit the light.
Ta-da! This is the coolest part of it.
Is it a comfortable bed?
It's very comfortable.
Comfortable? So you're gonna like sleeping on it?
Yes.
Alright.
The one thing that I'm worried about is how I'm going to get in without bumping my head. This is a good attempt. Ta-da! Getting into bed is actually as easy as you don't think it is.
There is a closet located in the hallway of the room. There you'll find a safe along with a pack and play if you're bringing an infant in your party. Also an ironing board and iron, which did an okay job getting out wrinkles, but it's not the best. A laundry basket, as well as an extra blanket and pillow. We did have to call up for more blankets. The room was sometimes rather cold, and we actually had 4 adults, a child, and an infant in our party. As you can see, the child rolling around on the floor right there. One benefit of the deluxe studio is the kitchenette. You'll have access to a microwave. We use this quite a bit to reheat food that was left over from meals. Helped us save quite a bit of money. Up above the microwave, you'll find you also have some small storage. We didn't use this at all, but doesn't mean somebody else might not. Cabinet located next to the microwave, you'll find your paper products including paper towels, cups, bowls, and plates, along with some plastic utensils, ceramic mugs, and glassware. We found this was more than what we needed and didn't need to ask for more, but you do have an amenities list along with prices located on the cabinet. Next to the sink, you'll find some dish soap, a dish towel, along with a can opener. There's also a toaster oven, coffee maker, and coffee and tea. If you do want more than what you see here, you will need to purchase it from Disney. There's also a mini fridge located in the kitchenette. As well as 2 waste bins. We used one for trash and one for recyclables. The Poly Deluxe Studios have 2 bathrooms. The first that I'm showing you here is the larger of the 2. Overall, the bathrooms were clean, but they are starting to show some wear and tear from their 3 years in use. As you can see, there's a little soap scum right there. You do have some toiletries, along with a hair dryer, as well as some empty drawers for your use for storage. This bathroom also includes a shower tub combination. This is the smaller of the two bathrooms, which features a standing shower with a rain shower head. This is your rain shower head, along with a handheld shower head, a small cubby to store your toiletries, and a bench. This bathroom is also showing some wear and tear from use over the years, just like the other bathroom. You do have a makeup mirror, a chest of drawers for storage, as well as cubbies. There is no hair dryer in this bathroom. This was a setup for 4 adults, a child, and an infant.
And the best part of it is that you have the view of Space Mountain, Cinderella's castle, and the contemporary. To the surveying seat. There is a little picture right there.
Alright, so what do you rate this room?
I could give it a 99 out of 600.
99 out of 6. How about let's go out of 10?
A 10, that's probably nice.
Okay, so how many out of 10?
10.
10, okay.
If you prefer to spend time relaxing at the resort, then I do recommend splurging for the lake view room. We found it was well worth the extra points. We had an excellent view of the Grand Floridian, Space Mountain, Cinderella's castle, as well as the contemporary. I do recommend requesting an upper floor so that you do not have the bungalows obstructing your view. Our room was on the 3rd floor. This view is even more spectacular at night when you can watch the fireworks over Cinderella's castle. The one drawback of this location is that you will hear the fairies, but I'm a light sleeper and I managed to sleep through them. Our room location provided us with easy access to the Ticket and Travel Center.